Just-in-time manufacturing is a process that reduces inventory, which is the major cost that people have for their products. So we can ship to you as you need them, not as we build them. We support just-in-time requirements for you by basically eliminating setup from the cost equation that you have to bear. We do that with a sophisticated ERP system and the willingness to inventory parts for you. So an ERP system is an enterprise resource planning system. The ERP system gives us the ability to manage our manufacturing process efficiently, starting with order entry and capacity planning all the way through part delivery. What helps you the most, however, is our ability to inventory parts for you. We will build to a committed forecast and then store your product and ship it to you as you need it, as your own inventory is depleted.